Amidst the tall grass, a playful young cub explores with boundless curiosity. The forest whispered ancient secrets, beckoning the adventurous explorer deeper into its emerald depths. The strange plant pulsed with a mysterious energy, casting a mesmerizing light upon the brave, inquisitive cub. In a swift, bewildering moment, the world around him expanded into a daunting maze of towering blades of grass. Surrounded by a rainbow of winged creatures, the bewildered youngster sought answers from the enchanting insects. United in a quest for a magical cure, they navigated the perilous terrain with fearless determination. Amidst a tapestry of blooming flowers under the midnight sky, hope blossomed in the hearts of the courageous adventurers. Illuminated by the gleaming golden blossom, the answer to their quest shimmered like a beacon of hope in the darkness. In a radiant glow of renewal, the tiny cub transformed, growing larger until he stood once more in his true form. Silhouetted figures approached in the distance, a reunion of love and relief on the horizon for the reunited family. Tears of joy and whispers of love filled the air as the family embraced, reunited and stronger for their shared adventure. As the sun rose over the enchanting island, new horizons beckoned, promising endless adventures and boundless wonders. The moral of this captivating tale could revolve around the themes of courage, unity, and the transformative power of perseverance. The young cub's journey into the unknown, guided by boundless curiosity and bravery, leads to unexpected challenges and encounters. However, through unity with newfound friends and a shared quest for a solution, they navigate the trials together, demonstrating the strength that comes from facing adversity as a team. The story highlights the importance of staying resilient in the face of challenges, as well as the value of seeking help and companionship from others. It emphasizes that even in the midst of uncertainty and hardship, there is always hope and the possibility for growth and renewal. Ultimately, the reunion of the family symbolizes the rewards of perseverance and the enduring power of love and unity. This tale encourages readers to embrace courage, collaboration, and optimism in their own journeys, reminding them that challenges can lead to personal growth and the discovery of new horizons.